In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to system.io. To do this, first just go and open up system.io, and then what you want to do is go to your profile on the top right and click Settings. From within Settings, in the left menu, go to Custom Domains, and here you can see all of your domains. Just go and click on Add Domain, and here type in your domain name that you would like to connect. So I'll use this one right here, and then just click Save. Now make sure that it starts with www and then click Save. And now you need to do the DNS configuration for your domain, so it only requires 2 CNAMEs. So just go and open up Namecheap, then go to Account and then Dashboard. Then here go to Domain List, and here go and click on the drop down and go to Manage next to the domain you want to connect, and then head into the Advanced DNS right there. And then what you can do is first just delete the current records you have, and then click Add New Record, and then in this case we need 2 CNAME records, so I'll just add 2 of them right here. And then you have a host and target, so you can see right here for the host, you just want to copy the beginning, paste that in host. Now once you have deleted your DNS records, just click on Add New Record, and then go and set it to a CNAME record. And then for the host, first just enter www, and for the target, what you then want to do is just copy right here what you have at the top, and just go and paste that here into the target, and then go and save that one. Then click Add New Record and add another CNAME record. And then for this one, in the host section, you want to go right here, and everything that is before your domain right here, you want to go ahead and copy. Now everything right here that is before your domain in the second one, except for the dot, you want to go ahead and copy. Then on the host section, just paste that in, and then for the target, take what is after right here, and then for the target, just take what is right here, and then paste that in target, and then click Save Changes. And that is what you need to do. Now from there, you then want to go back to system.io, and you can go and close this, and now it's pending validation. Now once you have done this, it can take a few minutes or even up to a few hours to fully update the records, but now you have pointed your DNS records towards system.io, so now just wait for this to say ready to use, and then you can connect it to your actual website. So now you know how to connect your Namecheap domain to your system.io account. Now, by the way, you can actually see that in their article right here. They say it can take up to 24 to 48 hours for the DNS records to fully propagate. So just wait for at least 24 to 48 hours. Now, it can also be a lot quicker, but it can also take that long. And if it then still isn't connected, which it should be if you have followed the exact steps, then just go and reach out to their support. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.